Namaste, welcome to Tummy.com, a platform for yoga teachers and yoga teachers in training to use our sequence builder and develop your own sequences with the help of our tools. In the previous video, we spoke about why do senior citizens have to use a chair for yoga, the different poses and its benefits, and why did we include those poses in this sequence. Going ahead with the same, we will talk about another set of poses and why it will help the students and its benefits. So we will start off with chair twists. Now this pose is done on both sides of the body to relieve any muscle tensions around the mid-back. So try to recollect what I told about twists and how it helps. Twists help in opening the spine, which creates a free way for the flow of prana and activates the nervous system. In the first part of the sequence, I told that activation of nervous system is mainly done not to create any kind of zeal within them after the practice, but on the contrary, we are doing it so that they start focusing on the good things and the positive things in their life that is there at the moment. So we started with opening the neck muscles through neck rolls and stretching the shoulders, which will help the students to take their gaze behind in this pose. But what can happen in most cases is that because this is a twisting of the torso, many times due to a stiff back in senior citizens, they might not be able to twist completely. So we need to look for a variation, and that is what you need to do when you're conducting a practice. You need to have some variations in mind when the student is not able to do a particular pose. So let us see the variation of this pose. So if I click on the variations page of this pose, I will reach a set of variations for this pose. And the most suitable one as per us is this one which I'm showing you, wherein with the help of holding the chair, the student can twist his or her back and they have more grip, they have more stability. So we would recommend this particular variation. Moving on, the next pose is chest expansion on chair. So we have included this pose mainly because we want to give a break to the students after practicing a set of poses that worked on different kinds of stretches. I have divided the video, but you will be conducting this class for 1 complete hour and you need to keep looking at your students and decide every now and then when you want to give them the break. So this particular pose is the best way you can give them a relaxation and break in between poses. As the eyes remain closed, the breath being steady, the chest is raised upwards and the students are asked to gaze up, which will help in activating the glands in the body. It also helps in stimulating the digestive system, which is very much needed in senior citizens because their system with regard to digestion is gentle. They are not ready to digest every kind of food and liquid. So we need to see those poses that will help them in stimulating and activating this particular system. Moving on, the next 2 poses can be taken as a flow, starting with hands up and then bending forward. The first pose is wherein the arms are taken above the heart and close to the ears, and the students are asked to close their eyes and listen to the sounds within, like their breath when they're breathing. Now this pose will help in pumping the heart better, keeping it fit and also controlling any kind of pressure around it. Because with aging, what happens is in most students is that they might develop heart problems or uneasiness while breathing. So this pose will help in pumping the heart and will also avoid any health problems. And that is why the old people actually doing yoga. They're trying to avoid any kind of health problems, especially in that age. After this, a forward bend is done, where as the abdomen is pressed against the thighs, it gives a massage to all the organs that are located inside the abdomen, and this is very good for digestion, for better functioning of internal organs, and also for stimulating the functioning of these organs. So by now you have understood that we are focusing on the effectiveness of the pose on functioning the organs, how it will help a senior citizen and his or her body, how important mind, body, breath practice is in every pose, especially for old people. Also, we are not focusing on strengthening or creating any endurance. Instead, we want to have some gentle stretches and help in the stimulation of organs, avoid any kind of health problems. So try to think on these lines and keep watching your students while doing the practice. Give them breaks every now and then. The next video, we will talk about some stretches that will work on the hips, the knee joints. So stay tuned and try to note down these points as I'm mentioning. So the next time you sit to build a sequence, these points will come handy. So thank you very much.